Well, I'm gonna go backwards because Sheila said she can't make it. She just gave up. Oh, I can't see. Current's taking me backwards. Oh, that one was in the ribs. Okay.
Hey, where are we at?
We're on the Sugarloaf Marina. We're gonna put our kayaks in and we're gonna get taken by Jen.
Our tour guide. Tour guide friend. Yep, we're gonna...
Tour guide friend taking us around, showing us some spots back here on the kayak. It's gonna be cool.
Yeah. We're gonna go through a mangrove tunnel. We're gonna go in the bay of Sugarloaf. Just look for stuff that's under the water, kind of sitting there. Houseboats on their side for a few years now.
Cool.
Mangrove tunnel out into the flats where all the babies are.
We're gonna see more life than we did yesterday. I am excited.
What is that right there? Just a piling?
Looks like it's an anchorage, but look. Right underneath you. You see it?
A boat.
Yeah. I found that boat. There's another one right here to your left side.
Oh yeah, I see it.
Yeah, a couple boats. Little boat just tied up in the mangroves. Little Carolina skiff looking thing. Bunch of sunk little boats. Yep, I see it right there. Jeez. Not every day you see a houseboat on its side on a flat. Maybe we'll get that one day at work. Do a lap around this boat, let you guys check it out. Got 3 nice pontoons on it still. They don't look torn up at all. Be a pirate. Look. What's in the house of dreams? The old dream house here. I took the shortcut. Y'all went through the river. Current's ripping. Different ways to go here. Go that way or this way. That's the boat channel? So the boats are allowed to go through that one?
No, it's too narrow. It narrows down to like...
Why is it called the boat channel? Oh. So that one goes to the boat channel and we're going to the tunnel. This is really cool. What'd you think?
This is cool. I love it.
Other side of the crazy current too. The current was ripping over there. Holy cow. Now it's like smooth sailing. This is awesome. This is crazy. How do you do this with a long paddle? I gotta turn my paddle long ways. Oh, I got snagged.
Yep, just pull through.
My hood.
Straight through the whole thing.
Alright, trying to get through here. I don't know where this goes. Had to use both hands, folks. I hear a plane. Wow, how cool is this? I mean, seriously. Look at this.
And it's low tide. So watch your head and your hat.
Look how cool. You guys making it?
So you pull through, yeah. Low tide, you can see how low it gets. It's actually ripping right now, so you can't see any of the fish. But it's
Alright, they made it. I gotta put the GoPro up. And we're gonna try to keep going. This is gonna be so cool on the way back. So this is the tunnel, guys. This is what she was talking about. This is wild. I think I can use my paddle again.
So once it opens up, it's gonna get flat again, and we'll be shooting us. Holy Jesus.
This is wild.
Isn't it cool?
I'm tired going through that. On the way back, I'm gonna go flying through there.
Yeah.
Going with the current instead of against the current. That's if it doesn't switch.
Energy.
Where's Sheila? She alright?
You coming, Sheila? You
Huh.
what? You just grab a hold of the mangroves and pull through. Oh. I'm coming backwards.
We might have to go on a rescue mission for Sheila.
Sheila, going backwards.
I'm gonna put a new battery in this GoPro. This is really cool. Well, I'm gonna go backwards because Sheila said she can't make it. She just gave up. Oh, I can't see. Current's taking me backwards. Oh, we gotta go get Sheila. Rescue mission 101. Oh man, there's no turning around. She gave up. She can't give up. No other way. I'm just hoping I don't get stabbed. Ah. Oh. I can't see. I'm gonna crash. I'm gonna crash. Well, this is really cool. This is like a ride at a theme park. Look at this. Look, Mom, no hands. Ah. Told you I was gonna have fun on the way back. I thought I was gonna go the other way. Oh, that one was in the ribs. Okay.
Once you get a hold of these trees, you can pull through. You're gonna have to duck. The tide's coming up.
So Jen's got Sheila tied off and she's dragging her through. My camera's overheating, which is crazy.
Are you still coming?
Battery's about to die.
Do you want to let go?
And I need both hands to get through again.
Can you like tie it off or something?
See you on the other
I
side.
don't want you to go backwards and hurt you again.
All right, I made it out again. That was wild. That was so much fun though. I'm gonna try to show you these guys. It's hard in the current.
Don't get that on camera.
I'm about to lose my paddle. Oh. Oh.
Alright. Coming, Sheila?
I can't. I'm going backwards. I'm trying to stop, but I'm about to crash into him. Oh boy. Oh, and I just broke my paddle.
Oh,
Oh no.
Will someone grab that so I don't litter?
I'm gonna get it.
This is not good. I'm down to one paddle, folks.
Don't get that inside.
Well, this just got even more interesting. I couldn't steer from back here. The bow was going around and getting stuck in every mangrove. That was awesome. Just heard a parachute open up. Oh, there they are. I don't know if this camera pick it up or not. That's got to be a cool view. I bet they see us and say, man, they're pretty lucky in that beautiful creek. It is really beautiful out here. I'm jealous of them. Got my munchies. Cooler. Couple drinks. Skydivers. That was cool. There's another setup there somewhere. My neck trying to turn around. I don't know. Hopefully they didn't die. I saw two, and then only one landed. So rest in peace to the other parachuters. Hope you had a good last scene. Got him. Gonna capture our first shark. Seen a couple. Oh, I got sideways here. I got sideways here. Sorry.
Make yourself go forward, though, like guide yourself so you don't fall.
Okay.
Sideways, I can find myself.
I got you on camera, babe.
You good, Carson?
Yeah.
I'm so good.
Alright, because I just stopped at the front.
Oh my gosh.
Go, 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 go.
Okay.
Just don't get sideways.
Oh my gosh. This is crazy.
It's one of the coolest things ever.
Don't take your hat.
Oh, roadblock.
Alright, hang on. I can get this. This is okay.
I'm gonna let her go. Just go. You got it.
I still got my hat.
Yeah, yeah.
It's cool though, right? Always cool.
Oh, made it.
Crap.
Almost lost my paddle, but I didn't. Oh, I got you on the turn, babe. That was so fun.
That was really cool.
I did see the shark, got a good shot of the nurse shark. I saw a nice bonnet head. I did not get a shot of the bonnet head, but seen them. Seen some cool starfish.
And now we're riding the current down, so.
This is cool.
Wow. I ran aground. Ran into an island.
Woo! Howling butt. Had a really good day. Now we're gonna go home.
It's super nice out. Slicker in this bay. We're gonna go back to the marina, get the kayaks loaded back up on the truck, and head back for home.
You all want to look over here at the dock and see if there's any.
We're there.
Heck yeah. I am wore out.
Me
I want to
too.
look at this dock and see if there's any